Ebusia nyame ya adom a ochi na aye Sunday no. E was say Assemblies of God asofo nyina e wo Ghana ha ni wiase afa na nyina. Omutime chi Mahama tenase. Edini ko gina epo ho na ye bonus foforo na ye dwa mpa ye egu ne so bi say e tro a enu na obetwa tere Ghana fo no. The born Afra koduru okese enim. E tro no esono do asode panyini a otwa tro say me hu bi da e ka je me hu bi da asode panyini otwa tro say me hu bi da. Enra was supposed to be the State of the Nation address, but unfortunately it turned to be the State of the Nation lies. If we say and someone Mahama kind about 90% na yemura and trust all settings in kwa. I'm a media so Ghana for no abe clash with him. Remember to the moon watch the waje amame. Ewa comment section. How you Penyah block media? Let's run say the Obe like if video no that one boy subscribe button now we click verification and connect this app this number to the waje amame. Ewa comment section so baswa. Not sure for Penyah be ashe. So Enra anopano and I posted this particular flyer. I'm going to say His Excellency will give the State of the Nation address to Ghanaians today. He will address Ghanaians today, or he will address the state today. What are your expectations? There na wo twen. They will say, kwa wiem ho no mo no. And we say, omo aye set our na bibia decoration bibia akoso awie preparation asie aye hu say afi omo eba Parliament House ho no mo any ade hu bia ye say na ma ye ma me kra ba say na the dress na on point. What I say bia ekoso. E ma ho kwa bi hu Sam George. Sam George are you busy? Agora be a video. Obeka se dipa kro video ye no. Wa shut down body for it. And Sam George anti change say differently. One anti change say differently what to do na that time. Every Obeka se body for it. This is the slow motion. Slow motion pony. And no go zim. Samenya wotre. Adi onyo na go ready. Enya wo na go kai. O ministry dey show that crowd ehu de wo ye. Sam George say minim. Say na Sam George minim say Sam minim position Sam George crowd. Because Minister for Information and Communication, munyai enye ho no ye adwuma. You see ade be Sam George ewo. Cyber security. Ho na Sam George wo. It means on Naka Sam George or deserve security aspect, but any communication information or nim hwe fa ho. We jai de share den sara to. And na we o can be media so now we have show now why you say now oh no na man for so that you know the reason. The enti omu ya sa obani abri media de so nyina. The oman kasa ye the 2024. 2024 Sami Jamfi small boy was able to sit on national television. Kachira Ekufuado say, Sebe, MPP for Manu Amon Van Chairman, Sebe, Ekufuado lacks common sense. 1. Onifie Nyansa. 2. He lacks mental intelligence. Just a junimu for free any a junimu nimdie, Ekufuado nibi. 3. He is mentally unfit to be a leader. Just say, mentally unfit means just say, Obi a waya bodam, Obi a junimu sisi so. Sami Jamfi was able to sit on national television to say all these stupid words, harsh words to Obi Papa. Sami Jamfi no papa owo no kwan Ekufuado chair ni penyini. But because of mere politics, to make a crowd wa be nyanti no, Sami Jamfi was able to sit on national television and say these words to Ekufuado. Obi a only 80 something, Sami Jamfi half. But Sam Jamfi was able to use these words. You might think, man, this is the video. I wouldn't lie to you.
Competent. We call them clueless. We call them reckless and wasteful, insensitive, dishonest, because that is who they are. We are not just making up tags for tagging's sake. We are describing them by who they are. If you have a president who has demonstrated, even in recent time, that he lacks the mental capacity the mental intelligence to govern.
When you say the president lacks the mental capacity and intelligence to govern, you know what our constitution says? You're a lawyer.
Yeah.
And it talks about this exactly, that if the person who is at the helm of affairs is incapacitated to that level, he will not even rule. So aren't you bordering on a very slippery slope here when you suggest that he lacks the capacity? Because he's there performing his work.
The Constitution doesn't say that he will not even rule. It says that he must not be allowed to rule. It is a ground for the removal from office of the president under Article 69.
Are you suggesting
I am
that
one of
Father
those.
is mentally unfit to be leader?
Exactly. But my brother, if you have a president who cannot write a simple message of condolence, tell me.
You're talking about Queen Elizabeth.
Exactly.
And
we all saw him at the UK High Commission signing the book of condolence that has been opened in memory of the late Queen Elizabeth II. And the president could not put his thoughts together to write a simple 1 paragraph or 2 paragraph or maximum 3 paragraph message of condolence in memory of the Queen.
And Sammy, on the back of that,
he had to copiously copy from notes that have been prepared for him by his handlers. Clearly, this is not a president who has what it takes to govern this country. The country is on autopilot because the president lacks that mental fortitude to govern, and that is what has played out.
Maybe count for that. And you know, the almost in opposition, you know, almost say be na MP for na be yebi, and they can't bear it. And this I'm doing your communication in Honolulu, and what they see cyber security. And I can say, you're causing fear and panic. O can say, we are hate speech. O can we are. Yashamo. Nyame bu mo amaten mo market o nyame nsem nyame ne betu etua mo ka mo market o nyame nsem obi anka mo hwe mo mo nsem e na be dane no me de ama mo na ina busia no a sound out ekopie mu e wo ho is busy for nothing kuntan ya say onu ko ne kwakọ redie e ma is bibia e start ye e ma e hokra mu se na minority for omu nyina botuntum e de mo ofla egwo mu koma na omu kura koko ani nyina sa se ma ha ba ye no wa twi koko akuafo na di wa yo mo femfram. Oh, era kwa se kwase asa take cash so. Oh, ya take cash so nyina je se mahama. Obo adwuma. Na busia all day agoro no ehihye so. The State of the Nation address. Ghana ye gina bre as it stands yesterday, as it stood yesterday. Na ye shebre ne he na ye gina be ene de. Mahama edwudwa mu e de ma Ghana fo. Na wo brobro nsem beberebe su a Mahama akokan say. Oba ye 2025 Oma Bomodene. Yes, according to the data available on Ghana Statistical Service. Okom website is one this Omu database is one. The year 2025, between the first and the third quarter, that is the first, second, third quarter, no, they were able to employ 1 million people. Mahama Lekai. Meanwhile, 2025, at the end of 2025, year 2026, January, Anna, the PRO, and I said the chairman for the Ghana Statistical Service, Obekasa Uchiremu said, the year 2025, no, employment make here, 330,000. Nese Mahama konya 1 million. And you know that 1 million na Mahama ebeka before said the State of the Nation address everyone a day before Mahama ayaliga jina Parliament House that same words.
In the last 12 months 1 million people have found jobs in the Ghana economy. 1 million people have found jobs. Go to the Ghana Statistical Service. Ghana Statistical Service. In the last 12 months, 1 million people have found jobs because the last quarter of 2024, Ghana Statistical Service, the last quarter of 2024 reported the last quarter of 2024 the number of people who are working.
I said they have given employment to 1 million people. I said, and some no Oma planning with them. I said, you go 2 foot for when we Ghana for any. Oma Tnasia planning cartel. ɛnom si yɛnkɔ tu mfuto Ghana for sɛ bo ma dwe nya adwuma nti no yɛnkɔ tu mfuto ngu Ghana for dani ɛne no asoma Mahama bɛgyina dan mu no ɛbɛkɛ kan na Mahama sa ka sa ya bɛka sɛ even before launching the Nkukɔ Nketenkete program no na wakyɛ 720 beds ɛnoma nkukɔ no wakyɛ maako 720 ama 13,000 farmers ahana asɛm no one. His Excellency Entremo Habuja Bunyabotre, how can you share 720 beds to 13,000 people? Let's apply common sense. You have sakura entum. You defend satu hua. You know, you go school, you mask kakla, near mask and kankra, you kakra for calculator. Yanko 720 divided by 13,000. That is, inipa 13,000. Echo check 720. Ubenya 0.05. Not just Nkukɔ no Mahama de call ya no. You try the number way, you try to call the number way, you try to say that. I was young. Messi na Parliament House. Na ho dekeke. Na Entra Mahama ehenya bia ni mu twitwa Ghana for no. Eno na ko bi dan so Ghana for no. Abetiro badwe ewo ho.
Sentina da bia meka say ensa na efi ne jojo no. Eni famu de no. Ye nhye wom no monte akọ no so. What you say? Because ya nhwe yi a ye wo ha na manfo agro mo ho. How come say obetina Ghana for nim? Na waka kire mo say 720 nkukọ no o chama nipa 13,000. Enye jojo na be say ne ma we mu. Enye jojo a wo be da tin sem we mu. Sa na akoya ne sigan ne se. As the okeka na do ti 4 inches da do a okeka ne ti no. Eko ene enkokurafo eko gina bush. Na o ka kire mo say 2,500 ye better than 3,100. Bema said ya boni duem se nye jojo eni famu da obeda tin sem we mu ampani ampa wo ko parliamentar so hu se NDC MP fo ni bi kasa wo hwe de wi o ye ne ye na brabo ni na tun jojo na ya adwuma ami MP ka ho wo ti ase se sem we mu akoso nyinaa ye fa blame NDC fo nkwala no omumu ade no because President Mahama begina tension baby say ye first of mudie mu hia degeta na mu hia komeni nchinam montimi enhuro no obegina achimota because headmaster for say mudie mu musika ko toponchi na mu da pochen kaka ma for education for unum se ntimi nya dwuma wo ti ase montimi ampa na bo okogina tachimi ho ba bi say o the politan kosi kokko mu di nsu agum amamo instead of say kambepa na boa na mbehuro no na ohun se yase metenie mai so no na mo boju si ene mahu yase tefie eno ni tedwom ba o miya minshira o oni napo President Kufuado because amemo front anten ye hu bi da senye jojo ene famu de obede no wati nsem we mu de ba asem ya bere wati
at the end of the day, me try some calculation. 720 chickens. And your chairman nipa 13,000 to free more. Let's just say ye che nipa no muma nkokonu na nya nkokonu ye chairman nipa no. Ade no ana me bodam. Te ye che nipa no muma nkokonu nya nkokonu ye chairman nipa no. Cause nkoko 720 and a nipa 13,000. Ye che nipa no muma nkoko no. Okay, Matias.
Abusia President Mahama Chan Trami Acheno. And Oko Parliament could deliver a State of the Nation's address. Now, waka SM between first quarter and third quarter of 2025. She said between January kusi September 2025. Ghana for nye adwuma ye 1 million.
And according to the Ghana Statistical Services, over 1 million Ghanaians have found employment between quarter 1 and quarter 3 of 2025.
Utie Mahama here, or say according to Ghana Statistical Service, meaning figure now quoting free Ghana Statistical Service. Now Ghana Statistical Service Penyah down no. A month ago, or be share this data. Between
the first and third quarters, employment increased by over 330,000 people.
If you lie, you will not go to heaven.
Abusia answer for more. Mahama say, according to Ghana Statistical Service, nipa enye adwuma ye 1 million. Ghana Statistical Service Penyah da no so no ono ankasa de no mutom say mo manye adwuma ye between first quarter and third quarter of 2025 330,000. Shall I ask if you want chess aban with the fracadam and throw propaganda akohwie. Ni omudi wini elections no mfi so mbeti media no asia bu oman. But you see, this is where it gets interesting. Omumienu nyina entro no mucha. President Mahama Echantro. Ghana Statistical Service for no so Echantro. And I'll tell you what. Omo mwenye adwuma ye under this NDC government. In fact, between January 2025 ebepem eye February 2026 into 20,000. Omo mwenye adwuma ye under this government eye NDC full soldiers pay. NDC full soldiers are form adwuma mu ewo drip Dr. Baomiadaroma. Or they a set of road construction equipment Emma district bia across the country. And where you find this full soldiers bear 4,000 according to Neil and Tevanda Poya. Or no coordinator that drip pattern. Okozongo Development Fund is on record say Yafa NDC adwuma NDC full adwuma wo honom. Nyamisha Dr. Baomia. Ghana ambulance services are Dr. Baomia Daroma. The ambulances be by ne adwuma. NDC for by Oma for Mufu soldiers was so a brand new memo na yafa NDC full soldiers now oka number ni bomwa and do 20,000. It will not be up to 20,000 to me no more chantro. But Obeka I said NDC for by bem omu issue letter from Chief of Staff Emma and Krofua near former Juman the MPP ye yomedi and omu yi Krofua pay 30,000 a year. Ye former Juman between 2017 EDBC 2024. Now in statistics here will be a net effect. Say utua na mombia na momi nuwa esunsun sanso no at the end of the day esunsun sanso ne say. Now the net effect ne say Ghana between that period you recorded job losses not less than 10,000. It is an among NDC for 2 years omuyi over 30,000 and crofire form adwuma and the MPP omuyi omedi. Now if you almost fire NDC full soldiers, ebi edigu adwuma mu no. Esunsun sanso ne say in that period Ghana for actually adwuma not less than 10,000. So it's never true say under that period now one more can first quarter to third quarter. Ghana for 1 million in year adwuma and answer 330,000 in year adwuma. In fact, between January 2025 and February 2026 year kase the net effect esunsanso anamo omotusa anamo mienu no matu esunsanso ne say Ghana for be 10,000 na ene wo mu ni adwuma ye. In fact, the number of people are no mu ye adwuma and the kufuado e wosoro as in the number of people are omu ye adwuma under this government, and the number of people are no mu ni adwuma and the kufuado akosoro e wo aban we mu by 10,000. That is the net effect. So we should get that clear. That propaganda is not going to work.
Abusia for why not throw a speech na President Mahama be kind no Parliament House no State of the Nation address no why not throw my President Mahama? Who wrote the speech for President Mahama? State of the Nation address no. Those times na President Nana do not trauma near Asante Bedi too. Into why not throw speech ni ma President Mahama Oman glance through and who say a yentro no mo be country Ghana for who wrote the speech? Because the also so a man for Diane say President Mahama say oba bemu no wache enkoko man kete 720 ama 13,000 farmers ebusia for munye calculation me ya me calculation is 720 beds old beds enkoko no divided by 13,000 ubenya 0.000 na kese enkoko no omu twitwa mu nketenkete e na omu de baako ma cocoa farmer na because President Mahama, please come again. Like the lies upon lies in the State of the Nation address in Massa is too much. Man glance it through. Man church, man read here who say omissions, mistakes be womb. And now is nyame na pamoson to my NDC for. Because your the Massa 720 beds in Kokonkete, yet the money per 13,000. More calculation. Charlie, this is serious. Oh. Always they will be blaming President Nane. When we say Mutuechi, and this is for Mutuechi big time. President Mahama, I'm not sure that today you'll be able to sleep. So the person who wrote that speech, the true speech, will be kind and neno. That person should be held accountable because wamuwa a big mistake. 720 beds in Kokonkete given to 13,000 farmers. Jesus. Hey, and this father emwa semo mutim sa emwa. Na munti technology we say kon anim no de emwa ne wo NDC abantiri memwa nkokọ ene money anwa. President Mahama came and she was able to speak about 24-hour economy. President Mahama is telling Ghanaians say wama 1 million youth ejuma. Where is the work? NDC, you people are not in opposition. NDC, you are not in opposition, you are in government. Hey!
Comment section. How you Penyah Media?